Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
CM should investigate. I am alleging that this is a human trafficking racket going on, managed by the Minister for Ports and Calangute MLA Micheal Lobo. These are the letters that is issuing to certain people. Now, collector is supposed to be issuing the letters. No other minister is issuing any letters for any of these people. Not even the health minister is issuing any letters. This person is issuing these letters on the pretext of getting essential commodities and helping the people. भाजीच्या ट्रकांनी लोकांक हाडिल्ले आहा, चोडवांक हाडिल्ले आहा, धंदे करपाक. Everything, I think we have got the most corrupt police officer in Calangute. Until my case, there's a lot of prostitution going on in Calangute, and with these letters, prostitutes are coming inside through these vehicles where these letters are given by this minister. When the security stopped them, a policeman came to support this pimp who was there. No action was taken. Through the people I applied, wrote to the SP and DGP again, and after that only action was taken. So this police are hand in gloves with this minister, and all these illegal activities are taking place. So it is not an isolated incident that one lady has come. Cloth minister, I think Michael may be responsible for getting corona in Goa and spoiling the whole this. What minister आम्ही tourism start करूया म्हणून. He meddles with everything. आता 250 मीटर गाडी ते साइडी काढली. 250 मीटर एक गाडी. So 76-year-old woman have been walking half a kilometer. Somebody who's got COVID. ती 2 kilometer चालून येली एक गाडीन आणि ते गाडीन. I request the chief minister to check the call details of whoever was on duty at the border.